Yes, Papa's your best friend?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for birthday dinner.
Papa birthday. Say happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday. Look in the camera. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
He's making food for you.
You want cucumbers?
Okay, eat something. Eat something. Come on. Your food is here.
Cucumber. Don't do it like that. Don't touch it with it. Yeah, look. Yummy. Try it. You want fried rice?
I will eat in the end when everything is ready. Yeah, give her fried rice.
You
Sky, eat by yourself. Come on. Give a little bit. Sky, eat by yourself. Come on. You big girl. लहू टच हो गया मुंह से लहू मुँह लग गया
पता नहीं करना है कि नहीं करना
है जानू लहू मुँह लग गया
लॉबस्टर देखो यार लॉबस्टर
स्काई को खिलाओ क्या बेटा eat by yourself come on no then we are not celebrating Dr. Tuesday come on eat well done too much well done and can you make it a little spicy spicy extra spicy
Alright, can you go wrong? For 11 o'clock.
smells so good, Sky. This food is smelling so good.
Eat. You need a spoon?
Woohoo! Mom food! Yay! Mom loves to eat food, especially Benihana's. Right, Sky? That's Mom's favorite restaurant? Benihana's. Yes, here. This restaurant called? What's this restaurant name? No Jihanash.
God, you're tall like me.
Come on, now you feel comfortable to eat, okay?
Better?
Like this.
Oh my God, somebody's taller than I am. Oh, say thank you. Really good. 11 o'clock. 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 11 o'
Just have a little bit, but eat fried rice, okay?
You don't have like wasabi or anything?
Do you want some beef or shrimps? You. I'm asking my daughter.
Me?
Hmm.
No, I don't.
Thank you.
He's asking wasabi for you. He's nice.
What are you doing?
You did not show us any trick with the knife, with the spoons and everything.
With a knife? No, we'll do it with a knife.
No, Sky, he's going to show his tricks. With spoons.
मेरे को पता नहीं बेटा बनिया आई भी है बनिया हमारे पास आई भी रिपोर्टिंग करने
अब इतना खर्चा करके आया है तो जरा ट्रिक तो दिखाए. Yay! Woo! Awesome!
Yeah, right. That is... No, that's not ice cream at all. This is very spicy.
Okay, you can eat with your hands, no problem. Done? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Okay, it's time to eat food.
I need a little more rice.
Sure, you can have it.
Sprinkle it on. Is that sprinkle on? Mom!
Sebastian.
From Little Mermaid.
From Little...
And you're Little Mermaid. Sky, are you Little Mermaid or Flounder?
क्या था हमका?
The seaweed is
Under the
always
sea.
greener
Under the
in
sea.
somebody else's lake.
Under the sea. But look, it's not scary. You can touch it. Touch. Here. Mom, touch it. Can you touch it? Look. Mom,
That's
touch it.
Sebastian.
Here, you touch it. It's okay. It doesn't bite. No, yeah. You can hold it. Look. Hey, you see? Come on, hold it. Hold it. If you hold it, you'll be bravest. If you hold it, Ursula will be scared of you. Yeah. Ursula can never scare you. If you hold Sebastian. Come on, hold it. Then Ursula gets scared of you. Hold it. Hold it. Good. Yeah, hold it. It's okay. Just hold it. Yeah, hold it like.
Woo,
Yeah, and
you
Ursula
hold it,
will
Sebastian.
never be scared of you. Hold it.
Never
Hold
be
tight.
scared of you. Papa said Ursula will never be scared of you.
चढ़ गई 2 दिन बाद पी
दो घूंट में ही चढ़ गई.
Okay. Sebastian.
इतनी मेहनत करा के बच्ची को पकड़ाया. Ursula we will never be scared of you.
Ursula.
Little Mermaid.
I'm Little Mermaid.
No, you're flounder.
Papa is flounder.
ये वाला अच्छा नहीं. ये फ्रेश है पता है ये फ्रेश नहीं है.
हाँ भाई हाँ मछेरे.
Of course. I know.
Eat it?
Huh?
Should
Eat it.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, chew your bite. Come on,
Yeah,
chew
yeah.
your food.
Chew your bite. मेरे को तो तुम बोल रही हो chew your bite.
Chew your food.
9 दिन हम ना पिए तो ये हाल.
Flounder.
एडिट कर देना.
Sebastian.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you sitting here? You want to? Did you think he's gonna take a chair? Yeah. Sit down. Sit. He's gonna take a chair.
That's gonna take my chair. I'm gonna get.
Oh, no! Look, you're gonna fall.
Like my car. I need to run. I'm getting busy. I'm busy. Okay, I get a hug first. Huh? Seven. Sit here. I drive to the park
Huh?
and I run. My hair.
नहीं आ रहे हो यार. Oh,
Ice cream.
oh my God, so many of us.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
1, 2, 3.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Thank you.
Oh, she's gonna make a wish.
Sure?
Make a wish for me.
Yeah,
One,
nice wish.
two. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Huh?
I want the rainbow.
You want the rainbow one? बेटा खा के तू देख.
Wait, how do I eat it?
Rainbow,
It's
rainbow.
far away.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like that. No, we don't see that. I got you. Oh, look, you made me fall down.
Birthday ice cream. Birthday ice cream?
We caught it. Yeah, try, eat. What are you eating? Huh? What is that? I can't hear you. Say it loudly.
This is my Papa birthday ice cream. This is my ice cream. This is Mom ice cream.
Okay. And where are we?
So we're at Bumblebee.
No, Benihana's.
Benihana.
Bumblebees. It's Benihana's.
Benihana.
Say it loudly.
Benihana.
Okay. Not bumblebees. So what are you eating?
Rainbow ice cream.
And what else there are? Mmm, yummy.
My tongue is red and rainbow.
Okay, and what's this? That has a candle in there.
Yeah, and I blow the candle for my Papa.
Oh, you made a wish for Papa too? Oh, cool. And who's this for?
Mom?
Mom?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Janu, abhi aise nahi kiya.
Mom, there's one there for you.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, what's Mom doing? हम रेस्टोरेंट बंद कराते हैं अपनी बर्थडे पे कैसी मेरी बीवी बोलती है बर्थडे ओके लेट्स गो टेक अ पिक्चर राइट हियर
Let me try again.
ओके
That's the ice cream. Icy? What did you say?
I didn't say nothing
Then what did you say?
what do you say
What?
I
Why?
said icy.
Why did you say icy?
I said you like icy more than ice cream.
I love icy and ice cream.
oh ho eh 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 eh
Where's the candy?
कैंडी बेटा नो इतना आइसक्रीम खा लिया
Where's the candy?
नो कैंडी
The candy is the hamburger candy.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday, Papa.
Are you recording?
Happy birthday, Papa. Can you open this, Papa? Can you open this? Why is it dark in there?
This is nighttime.
It's too much dark.
Stay here, stay here. Hold on, Pan. It's raining. It's cold.
It's ready for Papa's birthday.
it's ready for papa thank you
Come on, come on, let's go. It's raining.
I love the rain. Look at the puddle.
come on let's go
Look at
let's go let's go come on you're gonna get cold and get sick let's go let's go come on come on come on come on let's go Eh, you know the rules how you get in hold no on top to the left right there yes good job
Papa, what happened to the car?
huh
What happened?
I don't know
Just sit down.
What happened?
Let's go home. We are tired. Here, take your candy.
Thank
Here's your candy. Burger candy.
What did you say?
I said burger candy. Enjoy.